present until you 110 number of candidates in person in the Alice for the Pharmaceutical Sciences who have been certified after examination to be duly qualified to receive the Bachelor of Pharmacy degree of the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. 2018-2022 batch, first rank holder Maithili SR, second rank holder Mohammed J. Krishna Priya MS. 2019-2023 batch, first rank holder Fatima H, second rank holder Anthony N. 2020-2021 batch, Ganesh Kumar A, Ilangovan G, Sriraj R, Surya Prakash R. Next, 2018-2022 batch, Abhinaya S, Ajay S, Alan Nitish Kumar C, Anton T. Divine, Arvind Balaji R, Bhargavi M, Deepika R, Darshini R, Divya S, Durai Bhaskaran M, Flora Bon Juliet P, Gopinath P, Harsha Vardhani J, Jayaprakash K, Kanmani A, Karthik V, Karthikeyan N, Kadiresan K, Kiran M, Manigandan R, Monish Kumar P, Mohammad Bazar A, Mullai Vendan B, Nagalingam R, Naresh Karthik S, Niveta A, Pavitra D, Praveen Raj M, Rajadurai K, Ranjit K, Sangeeta S, Shankar M, Shantakumar S, Sharulata V, Sherin Mohammed, Sherlin Lara L, Srija D, Subhadra S, Supriya M.A, Surya A, Surya S, Dharani M, Divakar V, Vaishnavi S, Vasanta Kumar M, Venkatesh S, Vishnu Priyan S, Chandru K, Madhuranandan M, Raghavi V, Gautam T, Padma Rupa S, Sendil Kumar D, Vijay Kumar M.